So throughout 2018, 2019, I used to be really into Scratch, and since it's been what, like 6 years, 6 or 7 years, I've decided, you know what? Let's take a trip down memory lane. Let's go back and see my like very horrible projects. Let's look at my very first one called Maps. Yeah, this was made for a animation contest. What? Whoa. Okay, first of all, what is that sound effect? Bro. And also, why am I biting my lip like that? For some reason, I wanted to be like this, like, cool stoic, I guess. I don't know if that's the right term. So, like, I put way too much detail in, like, trying to act like that. It just doesn't work. Like, it just makes myself look goofy, honestly. Oh my god, why are you reading this? Oh, well, that is stupid. Okay, let's look inside the project. Oh, right. Oh my god. This is poorly optimized, but honestly, I don't think I really cared that much. If it works, it works. Oh, what is this? Why are you reading this? The thing I really dislike about how I like handled the art here is that it feels very lazy, even though I probably took so much effort into trying to make this look as best as possible. Like first, you got this pure circle here, and then the eyes and the pupils just aren't pure circles. I guess I just didn't know how to make like circles that are equal width and height. Also, like this, I just used the brush tool to like make the nose and mouth, even though I could have just taken a line. And then, of course, this is because I know all this like Scratch knowledge now, but it irks me how sort of stupid I was. Also, that's the map. That's what it looks like. I tried my best, like trying to recreate the world map from memory. Not. I don't know if it looks accurate. Honestly, this doesn't. This does not look like South America. Asia is just one huge ellipse. Honestly, whether it's accurate or not doesn't exactly matter that much. I'm just being pedantic over something that's stupid. There's this one called Alarm. Why is that the alarm? I'm pretty sure that's the computer beeps. Why is that the alarm? Also, let me like run this through Turbo Warp so I can pause the project. As you can see, this whole entire emotion again. I finally learned to make pure like ellipses now instead of doing whatever the frig this is. Why in the world did I want this like serious look on my face? I don't look intimidating. I look stupid. Also, yes, this is pretty much what my hair looked like back then. I tried to recreate it. Because I had such a huge ego, I tried to make myself look pretty. It didn't exactly... It's not that deep. Like, stop worrying about it so much. Also, this is supposed to be my brother. I don't think I put too much effort in trying to make it look accurate. That's super disrespectful. Why did I do that? Alright, let's just watch the dang thing. Oh my god. Wait, did I actually try to make it 7 o'clock? Yo, no way. Facepalm. Oh. What was that supposed to do? Oh, hold nose. Please use louder alarms. First off, I had this idea for an animation, like, during some sort of car ride, if I remember correctly, and I thought, oh my god, this is comedic, this is amazing, I'm gonna get so popular off of this. Basically, the whole entire gist was just, someone tries to wake someone up, it doesn't work, the last resort was to just hold someone's, like, breath, and then eventually it will, like, lead to, oh my god, it will lead to, everyone getting sucked in, because, the only way to breathe is through your mouth. I know it isn't realistic, it's supposed to be cartoonish, I guess. Oh my god, the same issue. Why did I use the brush tool? Did I just forget the line tool existed? Oh wait, since this was made in Scratch 2, I think, like, editing the curves and stuff didn't exist back then. I think that's the problem. The thing about this, that I wish I could have done better is provide much more ways that I could have waken up my brother. For instance, I only tried one thing, which was throw a ball before the final joke of holding the nostrils. Oh, Golden Haze. This is one of my more popular, most popular projects as of right now. I used to be really into like Rolling Sky back then as a kid, and as a kid, I would search up like Rolling Sky on like the search bar, and as a result, I would come across these projects by S003842006. This guy has affected my mind so much more than he should have. But like he's made like a lot of these like Rolling Sky projects. If you look back far enough at my YouTube channel, you could find footage of me playing them. I'm washed now. I used to be so much better. But like, anyways, this was my like custom Scratch Rolling Sky project, and I'm gonna see if I could try to get far. This is the first game of the video. Oh my god. Oh, this is the Golden Haze song. Oh my god. The colors are not very good. I feel like a darker color would have worked. Definitely did have some ideas going on though, I'll say that. Oh, I tried syncing that. That was pretty good. Oh god, what the heck? Okay, that wasn't really... Oh! Oh no! Take it. Try again. That pre-drop sync was pretty nice. That one part where I just spammed a bunch of jump pads definitely could have done much more because literally all I had to do was just stay at the far left. Oh, come on! That's a crazy difficulty spike, actually. You have to go around that? I feel like the reason why I don't think the colors are very good is because of the block thingies. The colors aren't very nice. I don't think the top is really orange, actually. I'm colorblind. I can't exactly understand hues that well. Oh, that's hard. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! What the frick? Oh! No way. What? Oh my god! 57. I was really into, like, the movement where, like, you go around, like, behind something. I really wish I did something more creative other than just that. And also just, like, spamming a bunch of jump pads. Not really sure what that was about. I got very lucky there. Ah! This type of block where it moves left or right, it's supposed to have arrows on it. I just completely removed it for some reason. Oh! I think I did it! Let's go! Yeah, I didn't make anything past 62, so that's the end. That actually was pretty fun. I enjoyed that. Alright, let's see what else is there. Wait, hold on. I really want to play this. Scratch clickbait. Don't click this if you dare. Scratch team, this is clickbait. I don't think I understood what clickbait was back then. This isn't clickbait. It's saying don't click this. That's not clickbait. That is like click repellent. I don't know. Scratch clickbait is like the biggest, I think this biggest series on my account. It has 3 parts. I do want to play the first 2 though. Yo. I'll definitely... Bro, shut up. I could definitely make much more parts than this if you guys are interested. I have over 1,000 projects, so there is enough content to go around. But like, I don't know why I did this. Why did you stop the project? Why is that your business? Hi. I don't really know why I did this other than to just scare people, I guess. I remember I would be so scared of this that I would try to like not stop the project. I was such a huge scaredy cat back then. I would be scared of literally anything. Hey. Hi. You know this is clickbait. What is this, bro? So please press stop. You told me to press stop. I don't understand what was going on in like my young brain. It's very interesting. I'm not sure what the reasoning is. Maybe I just didn't understand what clickbait is, but like, even though it's supposed to be clickbait, the project actively tries to like get the user to leave. Go now. Oh, you want to make fun of me? No! What? Now click my twin. Alright. I see. I see how it is. Okay. Bro! My god! Click him now? No. Okay. I vaguely remember that this part, after you click him twice, you're actually supposed to click the twin this time. I'm not sure why I remember that, why I did that, but that's just stupid, honestly. You can't waste your life playing this clickbait. You don't even know what clickbait is. Get out now. Jesus Christ, that scared the crap out of me. Wait, so what was I supposed to do? Clearly I was supposed to do something. Oh, you're sneaky. Press space for 0.05 seconds. No wonder I didn't see it. Oh my god, that is very sneaky. Press space. Okay. Really wish there was some way to advance the text myself. Yeah, okay. Press space. Oh, he's really mad now. Fine, you won. Just clicked on the cake to win. I think this is a clickbait. Get it? Yeah, I don't believe you. I'm not gonna click on it. I guess I just like wait for something to happen. Oh, there you go. You got added to the winners. I'm not sure what this was. What this was supposed to do is add the user's username to the winners list. It doesn't exactly work because lists are cloud-based. So you'll just see your own username in the winners, even though there's probably many other winners out there. I think I understand the point. The Scratch Cat, the enemy, is trying to get you to click on something. What is this? This is already, with the thumbnail, a lot to take in here. I don't know why it puts like white on when there's like white over here. Oh hey, nice to meet you. But the problem is this project is clickbait. The point in clickbait is that you want to get the person to stay, right? That doesn't make sense. So press the stop sign right over there. The stop sign is not over there. What the frick? You got banned. Please have a nice day. Huh? I guess it's because I didn't leave? Alright, I'm gonna try actually pressing the stop sign. What? How? Yes, sir. I thought you were gonna be tricked by not pressing the stop sign. I thought I was so clever for doing that. Well, at least I've been at it. Oh, what the frick? Yes, you're trapped. Okay. I've been waiting for this time to come. What? Why? What is it? Oh my god. Megalovania? Oh! I guess I just dodged the arrows. I didn't even, like, know much of Undertale. Like, why did I put Megalovania? I guess that doesn't stop people from enjoying the OST, I guess. Yeah, this is really easy. Gotta up the difficulty a bit. We should add something, I agree. Bombs. That's a bomb? Oh, this is a bit tricky, actually. Hasta la vista. What is that? It's okay, if I just stay in the middle, I should be fine. I'm making it as fast as possible. No, this is not as fast as possible. Oh my god. Ooh! Oh, this is really difficult, actually. Fine, I give up. You win. Yay! Huh? Please delete anything serious. Glitches! Destroying the Scratch website. I think. Wait, is this supposed to be inspired off of There Is No Game? Look, I'm sorry this happened. Just forgive me. Bro, what? I don't understand the lore here. What? be continued. And I didn't write anything to make it stop. Great. Oh, there it is. It stopped. I bet something will happen if I press the stop button. Again, with this, you stopped the project. Why? Why do you need to know that? I feel like the reason why I did this is because I saw other users doing the same thing. I think there was a project made by this animator called Dilly. I used to look up to this guy. Oh, shoot, last project? Interesting. Dude's in college now. I wish him the best. I think one of his projects did the whole entire, like, why did you stop this project? And I was, like, spooked for a bit. I was like, oh my god, I gotta copy this guy. Like, that was such a cool idea. And I'm like, why? Like, if you find something cool, I feel like you gotta have a reason to put it in other than it's just cool, you know? Is that the actual death screen? No, let me look. Ah, shut up! I gotta look for the death screen because surprisingly I did that first try. I remember trying to verify this myself back then. I struggled on this. I died so much times, you have no idea. Yeah, that's all I did for the death screen. Okay, I'll react to Stretch Clickbait 3 in like a later part. I think now... Campfire, actually. Let's do Campfire. This was actually my second animation. I think this was directly after Maps. Oh, shut up! This was supposed to be like my second or third animation. But I unshared it for a specific reason that you're about to see now.
Hi, we're making a campfire.
That's right. It had my voice in it. And I was super embarrassed that it had my voice in it, that I unshared it. That is my old voice back in 2018.
Hi, we're making a campfire. With a match.
With a match?
Why isn't it working? Ugh.
I was so confused. What's the joke here? It's definitely nostalgic to hear the that specific like song that's been used like, in memes to mean like, oh, a sad thing happened. Also, what the frick? Did I just not bother to name these like actual like sound names? I just named them off by numbers. Wow, I was freaking lazy, man. What? Yeah, this song right here. I don't understand the joke either, right? Because like you try to start a campfire, and then it just didn't work. And then for some reason there's like fire and then like screaming like the fire just... What's the joke here? I think the joke was like after he attempted to start the fire the last time, the fire actually started to work, but actually lit himself on fire, which I wish there was more visual cues so the joke makes much more sense. Also, I don't know why hashtag campfire fail is here. Like, why the hashtag? Was it just to be quirky? I don't know. I think that's enough for a shared project. I think it's time for unshared projects. Rube Escape, the ship Titanic 1912. So this was historically based on the Titanic. Warning, this game contains scary sounds, unexpected events, and a no cheater zone. This project tests your knowledge and logic. Have fun. Oh right, this was also like... This is not inspired by the I Survived book series whatsoever. The only reason why I put it in the credits is that I saw like the I Survived book, like for this ship Titanic. I was like, I gotta make an escape room on this. I was really into point and click adventure games where you have to like click on stuff at escape rooms. Riddle School is a really good example of this. I love the series, yeah. Oh, so let's try this out. Oh. So far there's not really much to do here. Apart from just click on the wardrobe. 666. Oh, it's so creepy! Press 16 if ready. What? 16? What about P? Because 16 P is the 16th letter of the alphabet. What's the password? What? Ah! Which means that you don't have enough logic. What? This has got to be the stupidest logic ever then. What is this? Is the code just 666? Huh? I'm so confused. Oh wait, hold on. What? Bro, this game's stupid, bro. This doesn't require any sort of logic. It's just like... What? Okay, I have an idea. So, because this converts from number to letter, I wonder if this is letter to number. So instead of 666, it's GGG. Okay, I guess not. Why is this square here? I genuinely don't know what to do. Seriously, I have to wait for this long intro every time. What? G? You've drowned? Why did I drown? I feel like there's not enough urgency. This is the Titanic, right? This is not the Titanic, bro. It's just a green room. I feel like if it was like, if we had windows, like seeing the sea out there, you know what I mean? Like maybe the water is slowly filling up, you know? But like, no, there's nothing. There's nothing to like resemble the Titanic anywhere. Dude, I don't know the password, bro. Okay, you know what? I know it says a no cheater zone, but honestly, past me can just suck it, because like I don't see any other leads. I'm just gonna look at the code and see what the password is. What? How is the code FFF? Oh, wait! My original idea was correct! F is the 6th letter of the alphabet, not G. There we go. What the frick is that, bro? This game sucks. That's a table? And just randomly came through just because I entered in a stupid password that's in this wardrobe? What is going on? What do I do now? Oh. Oh my god, bro. I don't know what's going on. This is not scary at all, by the way. This is just really lame. I don't know why it's I'm dead, but apparently it's I'm dead. I'm dead. This game sucks. How in the world were we supposed to get that password? What? Alright, well, that project should be shared for anyone that for some reason wants to play that garbage. But yeah, those were my reacting to my old Scratch project. I know I've been, like, strict on myself throughout this entire video, but in reality, the point is, I had a lot of fun making these. I had genuine intent to make these projects. It's just that, look, it's funny looking back and be like, wow, I really sucked at this. It's really interesting to look back at at a past point and be like, wow, this is what I used to be now with like new knowledge, and be like, wow, I was really stupid, huh? Like, yeah, all of the projects are going to be linked in the description just in case you want to try them out yourself. I will be making a part 2 to this if you want. Actually, I might just do it because why not? Like, yeah, that should be it. Okay, I just realized there's so much more. Like, why is there a key here? Why is there a bowl here? I gotta figure out what all these items are. Now I just click the dots? This isn't logic! There's nothing telling me to do that! I'm just trying random garbage! Same thing with this. There's nothing hinting towards A1Z26 conversion. It just happens. Why? There's just a key! It just turns into a key! That's the key! Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my marbles, bro. Are you gonna work? Hello? This is a keyhole. But like, it's not working when I put it in. Touching keyhole and touching mouse pointer. Okay, hold on. There we go! Okay, there you go. There you go. There's some, like, at least something to note that, like, we're the sinking ship because it's, like, rotating and stuff. So cool. Do I just do it again? Okay, I just do it again. There's no indication for that, by the way. Press G when ready. Oh, that's where you put I'm dead. But there's no indication for the punctuation and the capitalization. Yeah, I guess so. Alright, sure. I think the issues of this are pretty clear. One, just there is barely enough indication. There's so much random crap they have to do. Two, nothing resembling a ship apart from the very end where it just, I guess, rotates and just like a bunch of water sound effects. I guess that's it. Three, what was anything? Random stuff just happens. I guess that's it. Sorry to keep you guys here, but like, yeah, that's it. I swear that's it. I swear that's it. That should be it. Bye.